Hello traders, I hope you had a wonderful day today. I'm back here with my best analysis and the best trade of the day. And today is the 17th of February, Wednesday 2021, and we had an amazing volatility, amazing analysis, and very beautiful trades today. And most of traders bank beautiful pips. All right, so let's dig into the system and let me show you all these trades. All right, so just to recap, guys, these are the intraday analysis alongside with a 4-hour analysis with a live audio commentary, and I analyze market twice a day, just before London Open and one in the New York session, and all of my live analysis recording instantly available in the training session for the educational purpose, and also broadcast in the analysis section. So once the analysis broadcast, we watch those analyses. If any opportunities raised based on these analyses, we communicate with our traders and we bank beautiful pips. As you can see, my traders bank 219 pips today. That's right, guys. All right, so let me share with you the three pairs which I discussed yesterday, and you will find that video in the video description from yesterday analysis review, and I discussed three pairs opportunity, and now I'm going to show you how we basically analyze those three pairs today and bank beautiful pips. All right, guys, so I hope that's going to make sense to you guys, that how we trade. Okay, so let's talk about the Euro USD, right? So Euro USD, let's go to the 4 hours. That's what exactly we trade. And yesterday I mentioned about this breakout. As I said to you guys, watch that video. Link is given in the video description about that that opportunities I mentioned. That we're looking price broken this one, retest, possibility price going to break this one, and then we're going to be taking a pullback short. That's what exactly I mentioned. So we had a nice beautiful short trade, and I'm going to show you those analysis, intraday analysis. And that's what we did. We take all these pullbacks. I'm going to explain to you, show you those analysis. All right, so that's what exactly. So what is the moving forward? If you look at here, the price has broken this support level. You can see the price respected previously. If the price is going to break this one, then we're going to be taking a pullback long. And if the price respect and develop pullback, then we're taking a pullback short. And the target would be this level. This is the monthly support level. So this is the weekly support level, and this is the monthly support level. All right, so we'll see tomorrow, because at the moment the market volatility is low, because we trade on the London morning session and the New York session. So we'll see tomorrow. Okay, so let's back to the cable pound dollar, and let's move into the 4 hour. That's what exactly. If you look at my analysis yesterday, as mentioned, that the price respected here, and I also mentioned this about this candle, bearish inside candle pattern, and we explain if the price is going to respect this level, then probably going to be taking a short trade, and if the price is going to break, then short trade, if otherwise pull back long. But you can see the price broken, and we also take a beautiful short trade today on pound dollar, which is I'm going to explain. I'm going to show you all those analysis for today for all this pound dollar. So right now what we can see here, the price is broken this support level, previous low, and let's see if the price gonna break and stay above that, then probably gonna be long trade ahead, and then we'll see here if the price gonna come back here and retest, possibility of short, and if the price respect this level, then we're taking a pullback shorts. So if the price gonna break, then probably long. So technically we're looking tomorrow, we'll see how the market is going to react. If this price is going to break, then pull back long. If the price respect, then pull back short in intraday. If you look at here, today we have taken all this pullback short trade here. So right now the price is respecting this one, and if the price gonna break, after the breakout, price retest, and then probably gonna be taking a long trade as mentioned in 4 hour too. Otherwise, if the momentum develop bearish, then pull back short. So we'll let you know tomorrow about pound dollar. Dollar CAD, if you look at in 4 hour, we had an amazing trade. If you look at the 4 hour yesterday, as I mentioned you, if the price is going to respect this level, then probably going to be taking a long trade. So that's what exactly we did. We bank a beautiful pips on dollar CAD. So right now you can see here the price is what we're looking here right now. If the price is going to respect this one, possibility of another pullback, but if the price gonna break this level and the support level, then we're taking a pullback short. So that's the opportunity. We'll let you know tomorrow about the intraday analysis. As I mentioned, that we define here the key levels, and then we enter in an intraday system, and that's why we trade. So right now, basically, you can see here, price did not respect this breakout. It's a good sign. In order to take a short trade, we need another pullback. That's going to give us the confirmation. Then probably going to be taking a short trade here. So we'll let you know tomorrow about dollar CAD, pound dollar, and euro USD. All right, guys. So we can see here 219 pips. Beautiful pips. You can see most of them, short on pound dollar. This was a pretty straightforward. You can see the pullback short here from this level, and beautiful 35 pips. Most of them cable. And the dollar, you can see the long on dollar CAD. You can see here beautiful dollar CAD, euro yen short trade, euro USD short trade, basically pullback short trades. Most of them. And we have a couple of losing too. We have few challenges. But end of the day, we managed to bank 219 pips, and all these pips are 100% based on the analysis which we broadcasted here. All right, so let's dig into the most of the pairs. So I've basically pull up one pair each time, so at least I'll tell you the whole journey. So you can see here, this was the analysis we did yesterday. The New York session, and I also mentioned this one in the yesterday video, that we're looking at pullback. As you can see, beautiful pullback short trade. So not only this one, as soon as the price develop another pattern, we also keep up to date with our traders. So if they miss these opportunities, they can join again. How? That's what we did, another analysis at the night time for Asian trader. So this was again beautiful breakout, and we explained to take all the pullbacks as long as the momentum is bearish. And that's what I explained to you in 4 hours. So based on that, then we did another 7 o'clock, just before 7:30, just before London Open, pullback. You can see another 2 beautiful pullback short trade. Then we did another analysis at the New York session. You can see here, say guys, as long as the momentum is bearish, keep taking a pullback. So if somebody missed these trades, you can see we had another beautiful pullback short trade on Euro USD. So this is the Euro USD. Pound dollar, if you look at my yesterday video, as I mentioned you, that we're looking at this breakout triangle, and you can see beautiful breakout. After the breakout, we had a pullback, bank few pips, and then we did another analysis instantly. This was the analysis for the Asian session, and this is the analysis at the London morning. You can see here another triangle pattern. We explained to trader, beautiful short trade. You can see what happened here afterwards, another counter long trade. As soon as the price hit 200 EMA, so you can bank some profit. And afterwards, you can see price respected, develop another pattern. We broadcast instantly, 9:31. You can see breakout. After the breakout, as always, if the momentum is bearish, pull back short trade. And then we had another analysis at the New York session. You can see then we explained to trader, look, the prices develop another flag pattern, bearish flag pattern, so possibility of breakout. You can see breakout and short trade. So you can see the whole journey of today, pound. That's what we do as an intraday trader. We keep an eye on all this price movement. As soon as the price develop any pattern, we broadcast and we communicate with our traders. But as we mentioned that we had a breakout short trade, so we mainly were looking at short trade on pound dollar. You can see here beautiful short trade, and that's why we made the 219 pips today. That's the level of transparency we're giving you guys, so you understand how it works. So dollar CAD, as I mentioned yesterday in the video, that we're looking this sideways market breakout. We had a one breakout, we have another breakout, beautiful 2 long trade, and then this was the another analysis we did at the London morning open. You can see another flag, another pattern being developed up channel, and you can see another beautiful breakout, and price nicely hit to the profit target, which is I explained to you, and bank beautiful pips on dollar CAD. So Kiwi dollar, we had a pretty straightforward breakout. After the breakout, we announced all the, as long as the momentum is bearish, you can see we had a breakout. After the breakout, beautiful pullback short trade on Kiwi dollar. And dollar yen, that's what we explained when the price reached, because we're watching in 4 hour. And we also explained to traders, you can see here at the top, this is the way you should be looking at counter short trade. What happened here? Price came back, developed double top as mentioned here, and afterwards beautiful counter short trade. So once we done the counter short trade, this was the analysis at the Asian session. This one is the London morning session just before London opening. Another triangle pattern, you can see beautiful breakout, long trade, and afterwards at the New York session, another pattern. This is beautiful breakout and another pullback short trade. So you can see this is what exactly we did analysis for the dollar yen. Euro yen, we have only one analysis, and we said to traders just keep taking pullback short. As you can see, beautiful breakout at this, and then afterwards pullback. So beautiful short trades on, because we had a one straight market on the euro yen. Beautiful trade. And pound yen, that was a beautiful trade. You can see at the morning, we can see 745. We explained to look for this breakout. More likely we're looking a short trade because the momentum was developed bearish. As you can see, beautiful breakout and beautiful. As soon as the price reversed, I said it takes time to bank some profit. Afterwards, price developed another pattern at the New York session. So we explained to traders that's what we exactly we're looking. But we explained to traders price develop a false breakout. This is a good sign of reversal. So we should be taking a breakout as mentioned here. So we can see here beautiful breakout and beautiful trade. Bank some profit. As soon as we bank some profit, and then we said, okay, look for another pullback. What happened afterwards? Another beautiful two pullback short trade. So this is beautiful. This is the journey of whole today for pound yen, guys. So okay, so this is the dollar yen, which is already explained to you guys. This is the dollar Swiss franc. That was a pretty straightforward. We have this one analysis from yesterday mentioned at the Asian session. Beautiful pullback, long trade, bank some profit. Then we also did analysis at the today the Asian session. This was breakout. You can see beautiful breakout, and the whole day we explained to trader as long as the momentum is bullish, just keep taking pullback on dollar Swiss franc. And the last one, euro pound, pretty straightforward as mentioned on the analysis. The first priority would be the pullback. Otherwise, if the price gonna break and retest, then we should be looking long. Otherwise, we should be taking a pullback short trade. So you can see all of these pairs. We had amazing analysis, amazing trades today, guys. So I hope you enjoy all this analysis review. So if you would like to see all that analysis alongside with the 4-hour analysis, alongside with a live audio commentary support, even if you don't have Forex trading experience, you don't need to worry. We also provide full Forex coaching and training. Our objective is to train and educate traders with the live market. This is purely price action, guys, trading, and this is not including all the fundamental and the technical analysis. The best way is to develop your trading skill, that you should be trading alongside with the professional trader, with the analyst. So if you have any confusion, you can ask on the spot, and your coach and mentor should be watching your trade and giving you feedback in real time. That's what we explain to traders. That's why we train people with the live trade market. Or even if you are struggling it, once you see all this happening in real time, I'm pretty sure you can develop your trading skill very effectively. Or even if you are experienced trader, it's damn easy for you to understand, because you will understand this is all price action, guys. And based on that, you can bank alongside beautiful pips with alongside the professional trader. So alright, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice evening and stay blessed, and I'll see you tomorrow with another analysis. All the best, guys.